Hello, welcome back to Learn Physics. In today's topic, we are continuing with our previous year question paper for class 10. Okay, this is 2019 question paper. In that question paper, in last video, we did till section C, and today we are continuing with our section D. Okay, in that 18th question. Now, 18th question is physics part. Okay, so here a 5 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Distance of the object from the lens is 30 centimeter. Find the position, nature and size of the image formed. A 5 centimeter tall object. So that is height of object is 5 centimeter. Is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Focal length is given as 20 centimeter. Okay, since it is a convex lens, focal length is positive, isn't it? So focal length is 20 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 30 centimeter. Object distance is 30 centimeter. As per sign convention, we should keep at the left side of the lens. So it will be negative. Okay, then find the position, nature and size of the image formed. So what we should find out? Position, size and nature of the image formed. Position of image means we should find out. Okay, height increased or decreased we should find out. So we can find out height of image also. Okay, so now here f1 by f equals, since it is a lens, 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by v equals 1 by f plus 1 by u. Okay, this one 1 by v equals 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30, that is 600 minus 30 minus 20. So we will get it as 1 by 60. So v equals 60 centimeter we got. Okay, now magnification. If we are finding out the magnification, we know m is equal to height of image divided by height of object, that is equal to v by u. Now we can take this one, hi by ho equals v by u. From that hi equals ho into v by u. Ho we got it as 5 centimeter into v. V how much it is? 60 centimeter divided by minus 30. So we will get it as minus 10 centimeter. That is, it is enlarged image. Minus 10, that means it is inverted. So the nature is, nature is enlarged. Since 5 centimeter was the object distance, now the image distance is 10 centimeter. So it is enlarged. Since it is negative, it is inverted. Inverted image means it will be real also, isn't it? So it is real and inverted. Okay, so this is the nature of the image. Draw the labeled diagram showing object distance, image distance and focal length in the above case. So draw a labeled diagram showing the object distance, image distance and focal length of the above case. So this one we should draw it as a diagram. So how we can draw? It is a convex lens. So first you can draw a convex lens. Here this is optic center f1. So same way you can take 2f1. Here right side same distance f2, 2f2 you can mark here. Now object is at a distance of minus 30 centimeter. So it will be coming between f1 and 2f1, isn't it? So it is, object is 30 centimeter. So this distance I am taking it as 30 centimeter. So how we will draw the diagram? Passing parallel will go through the principal focus. and when it is passing through the optic center, it will be going like this. The image is forming here. So it is an inverted image. This is image, this is object. So we will be getting an image distance here. That is image distance, we got it as 60 centimeter towards the right side. Okay, so you got the image distance also, that is 60 centimeter. Then showing the object distance, image distance and focal length. Focal length, how much it is? 20 centimeter. So here this will be the focal length, 20 centimeter. Okay, this one. So if object is at the left side, focus we will be considering on the right side. Okay, so clear. So this is how we will be finding out the answer. Clear for you? So the next question is 19th one. So 19th one, compare the power used in 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. So 2 circuits are given. Okay, in that you should compare the power. Compare means take the ratio of the powers in 2 ohm resistor. Okay, so first one, here it is. This is 1 ohm and this is 2 ohm resistor. Okay, and here positive negative, that is plus 4 volt and here it is 6 volt. Okay, this is A and this is B. Here it is 1 ohm and here it is 2 ohm. So we should find out the power across the power in 2 ohm resistor. Okay, so this is a series circuit. If we are considering, we know the formula for power as P equals VI, I square R, that is equal to V square by R. 3 formulas we have. So which formula we can use for which one? Say in series, which term will be constant in series? Current will be constant in series, isn't it? So we should consider the current equation, current and resistance. So P equals I square R. Okay, current will be constant over here. So you can find out the P equals I square R equation, and here which one will be constant? Potential difference is constant. So you can take the formula P equals V square by R. Now here first we should find out the current across the circuit. How we can find out the current? V equals IR formula we know. Here what is the effective resistance? 1 plus 2, 3 ohm, isn't it? So 6 equals I into 3. So I we will get it as 2 ohm. Sorry, 2 ampere. Okay. Now we can find out the power PA in diagram A. So PA I am giving it as I square. 2 square into 2, that is 8 watt. I am getting it as 8 watt. Then here in B, see, we should find out V square we have, R we should find out. See, R is across 2 ohm, right? So we can find out R as P equals V square by R. V square is 4 square divided by R, that is 16 divided by 2, that is 8 watt. So we will get the ratio as PA is to PB as 1 is to 1. Okay, so clear? So this is the formula for finding that one. So in the 19th question itself, an OR question is there, that is a bulb is rated 40 watt 220 volt. Find the current drawn by it when it is connected to a 220 volt supply. Also find its resistance. If the given bulb is replaced by a bulb of rating 25 watt 220 volt, will there be any change in the value of current and resistance? Justify your answer and determine the change. So, the bulb is rated 40 watt and 220 volt. Find the current drawn by it when it is connected to a 220 volt supply. We also find its resistance. That is the first part of that question, isn't it? So here 19th one, or question. See, power is given as 40 watt. Okay, then voltage is given as 220 volt. We should find out the current and resistance. Okay, so we know that P equals VI is the formula. So I will be equal to P by V. Okay, so we got it as P is 40 divided by 220. So 2 by 11. This will be the amps. This will be the current. Okay, we should find out the resistance. How we can find out the resistance across it? See, you can use any one of the formula you can use, or say P equals V square by R. If you are using that formula, you will get it as R equals V square divided by P. Then V square is 220 the whole square divided by P is 40. So it is equal to, so 48400 divided by 40, that is 1210. This will be the resistance. Okay, so the resistance is 1210 ohm. Okay, so the next one, in the second part, if the given bulb is replaced by a bulb of rating 25 watt 220 volt. Okay, so in the second part, the bulb is replaced by a 25 watt 220 volt bulb. Will there be any change in the current and resistance? Justify your answer. You should find out the current and resistance in the same way you can find out, that is PVI equals P by V, and P by V is 25 divided by 220. You will get it as 44 amps. 5 by 44 amps, and resistance you can find out using the formula V square by P, that is 48400 divided by 25. Okay, so you can get it as 25 into 100, you can write, so 4 times 1936 ohms. Okay, so the resistance is decreasing and even the current also. So you are getting the current and resistance in such a manner. Okay, justify your answer means you should show whether the current is this much and resistance is this much. Okay, so the next 20, 21 and on, it is not physics part. Now in section E, 22nd question is this practical part only. So that is the next physics questions. Okay. A teacher gives a convex lens and a concave mirror of focal length 20 cm each to his student and asks him to find their focal length by obtaining the image of a distant object. The student uses a distant tree as the object and obtains its sharp image one by one on a screen. The distances d1 and d2 between the lens or mirror and the screen in the two cases and nature of their respective sharp images are likely to be. So given some values also, you should give reason which one will be the correct answer. Okay, so the answer it is given as, first one is, this is for 22nd one, 20 centimeter, 40 centimeter, erect and erect. Okay, and next is 20 centimeter, 40 centimeter, inverted, inverted and inverted. Okay, both one inverted images only for lens, mirror and the lens and mirror. First one is for lens and this is for mirror. Okay, lens and mirror. A teacher gives a convex lens and a mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. Okay, and so what will be the answer? That only it is asking. The next one is 20 centimeter, 40 centimeter. Sorry, 20 centimeter, next is 20 centimeter. This is inverted and inverted. Inverted and inverted. Okay, then 20 centimeter, 40 centimeter. Erect and inverted. Erect and inverted. Okay, so this is the question. So teacher gives a convex lens and a concave mirror. Convex lens and concave mirror will be making the real and inverted images. Okay, so real and inverted images can be the answer. So here he is viewing a distant object. Distant tree only he is viewing. So while he is getting the image over here, distant objects, the image will be forming at the principal focus. For distant object, images will be forming at the principal focus, and it will be inverted images also. Isn't it? You would have view that in your while your practicals, isn't it? When you are doing the lab, you can see the image, which is getting as an inverted image. So here it will be forming at the principal focus. So when it is forming at the principal focus, the answer will be, distance will be of focal length. So which is the focal length? 20 centimeter focal length each. Each has focal length of 20 centimeter. So which will be the answer? C will be the answer, 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter. For it, give reason it is given, since it is a distant object will be always forming the images at the principal focus for a convex lens and a concave mirror. That is the reason. Okay, next is 23rd one. Okay, in the experiment to study the dependence of before that one question is there. The rest position of the needles in a millimeter and voltmeter are not in use are shown in figure A. When a student uses this instrument in his experiment, the readings of the needle are in the position shown in figure B. Determine the correct value of the current and voltage the student should use in his calculation. So figure A, it is given two sets of readings. Okay, this is for milliamps and this is for voltage. This is for voltage and this is for milliamps. Here this is the 0, and here after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10. Before that, two readings are there. So initially if we are not giving any current, then this will be the position. Okay, actually what should be the position? 0 should be the starting position. Instead of that, here two divisions before that itself the needle is kept. Okay, then in the voltmeter it is given like 1, 2, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is 1. Okay, now the reading is shown over here. In B part, we are getting the readings like this. See in amps, see here in 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 40, and our reading is getting over here. And in voltmeter, it is showing 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 4, and our answer is over here. So here already we are getting two divisions before, isn't it? From here it is starting. Okay, so to get the correct reading, our reading should be two divisions forward. It should come two divisions forward from the given set of reading, because we should start from 0. But our instrument has an error of two divisions before it, isn't it? So we should start our reading after. So with the final reading, we should add two divisions. So two divisions means it should come over here, isn't it? So what will be the reading? Each one will be showing. That is 5 divisions is 10 ampere. So one division is 2 amps. So now it is coming in the 4th division. So it is getting as 38 milliamps. Okay, so here since our reading is in the second position, because of these two divisions we should add 2. Here the 0 is coming over here. In voltmeter it has 2 divisions ahead. So from the final set of reading we should subtract 2 divisions. So it will be coming over here, this position. Same way, see 5 divisions equals 1 volt. So 1 division equals 1 by 5, that is 0.2 volt. So here it is 3.2 volt it will be showing. Okay, clear? Understood? So next is an or question is there. In the experiment to study the dependence of current on the potential difference across a resistor, a student obtained a graph as shown. What does the graph depict about the dependence of current on the potential difference? Second question is, find the current that flows through the resistor when the potential difference is 2.5 volt. Okay, so what you should do, see here in the given question is graph is like this. This is voltage in volts, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. This is for current in amps. Okay, so this current is showing it as Ohm's law, isn't it? V is proportional to I. Since it is a straight line graph, it is V proportional to I. This graph obeys as Ohm's law. Okay, this is the last question, which is the question number 23 or question. Okay, so find the current flows through the resistor when the potential difference is 2.5. 2.5 means exact middle of this. So you can do like this and respective current you can find out. So what will be the current? It will be 0.25. Okay, 2.5, 0.25 will be the exact half. Since it is proportional, it will be getting. So which voltage it is given, you can see the corresponding current across that. Okay, so these are the important physics part questions from that chapter, from that question paper, that is 2019 question paper. I think it is clear for you. In next week we will be coming with the new set of question paper. Okay, if you like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.